Top stories. NPP chooses to remain mute on present political scenario in Manipur. Examination that clashing with Eid-ul-Fitr demoralizes Manipuri Muslims, flees MMWO. And Manipur Rural Bank opens new branch at Lamlai. Hello and good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. The news read by HARIPRIYA, and now let's have the news in details. Manipur Health Minister L. Jayantakumar has termed as rumors that National People's Party (NPP) is trying to find a replacement for the Chief Minister of Manipur. In a telephonic conversation, the minister said that the party will remain silent on the present political scenario unfolding in the state. Even if there is a cabinet reshuffle, he expressed his desire to give a name for the coalition party as well as coming up with a common minimum program for the allied partners. The minister also reiterated that if the government of India passed the Citizenship Amendment Bill, the decision of NPP will remain unaffected and withdraw from the post of minister.
Punjaraga sukti matangda implement tawni habigi decision lawraba amsing tawraba adu was target without any condition akoi adum akoi tongami statement lawni akoi withdraw tawni lokto ga thadmo lokto haji lokto gadi madirapan aham bi tawya bi will remain silent and they will extend our adum akoi bi cooperation as in period of time lokto ga short adum akoi lai. Yes, we will be waiting for the final instruction from our president. National president ki kaino halum ye laini aduna ka bagadi akoi dum akoi kainta grumble to dana koi tume na dum akoi na policy oi ma makal gi sona support hoga dum lai bi laini chief minister ki akoi privilege to lai mukal bon hakane aliki hali chief minister su national koi ki party am belong to one na every waiting for the instruction of the higher ups. So I haini adu hadim do mi makote na konna lokok bilu ga na ko ne ka ko bu sala ka pira ga chede lokok re kuma lokok re chede ko ho ga adu hadu do ko bona te hadu ne na speculation de phad ha ni mate kan mate khatte ama mate nukhina de butani adu jo budi authority leiba khali made hang adu jo ko mate hang ta angon de angon ta party president NPP na kari pami NPP na kari pami adu kari pami aso thabo ga sul min hanya ko de but mayam de lagi Sarkar na tabung anggo to makali common naga adigi minimum program the local government common minimum program is hambagi television is policy government character ni ho.
The Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization MMWO has expressed displeasure over the fixing of examination that by Manipur University that has clashed with Eid-ul-Fitr. Joint Secretary of Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization, Wadi Hassan said this during a press meet held at MMWO office Hatta today. He further said that scheduling of examination that on the day of Eid-ul-Fitr festival, which is an international festival for Muslims, is an act of demoralizing the Muslim students. The Manipur University should reschedule the examination date and notify it through media. Otherwise, the Muslim Welfare Organization will take up intense agitation, he threatened.
Eid-ul-Fitr ki numita university sina lauba school college singi semester ki exam sing schedule to pisalak pa habase maitei pangal Islam lining satpa satra satri singi moral down tohon bani asigum loba international festival numita sida MU na High semester ki exam sing schedule pisalak pase masi athu matam da reschedule tawraga akoi gi media sing da notification thok tuna khangan gedabni amde satra satri sing da madu gi notification to athu matam da khangan gedabni karigumba high basi exam sing a series reschedule taw da taragadi maduda Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization na exam pangthokpa college university gi center khudimak akanba maiholang pok yawba thokaning deu thokdok ya tholak pi.
A new branch of Manipur Rural Bank was inaugurated at Lamlai Bazaar today. Participating in the inaugural function as chief guest, General Manager of National Bank of Agriculture and Rural Development, NABARD, Dr. K.J. Satasai spoke on the responsibilities and role of banks in today's world. He asserted it is commendable that the Manipur Rural Bank has opened a new branch at Lamlai Bazaar, which in turn will help minimize the hardship faced by the residents in the area in banking.
Getting very good long-term relations with the clients, these two are very important things. So it's not that banking doesn't end by giving one loan today or taking one deposit today. No, it is a continuous process. Once somebody comes, I think he should keep coming with he should keep coming with all happy feelings. That is the essential thing of it. So and then business promotion. Here, if I am selling something, I can go and request him and convince him and sell it. But banking is not like that. Unless the awareness level of the public in our command area is something, if we don't try to elevate it, so our clientele will not be really well-informed clientele and our business also will not flourish that much. So essentially a branch manager and branch staff duty lies in educating people about banking, which we call it financial literacy, and that lays the foundation for the future banking and future business of bank.
A memorandum of understanding has been signed today between Center for Entrepreneurship and Skill Development, School of Social Sciences, Manipur University and Indian Institute of Entrepreneurship, Guwahati to impart right kind of knowledge and skills development to entrepreneurship in the state. The MOU was signed in the presence of Professor Amar Yumnang, BC in charge of MU, Dr. Abhijit Sharma, Director, Indian Institute of Entrepreneurship, Guwahati, Dr. Sripana B. Barua, Head of Centers for Industrial Extension, Guwahati, Zabit Jot, Registrar in charge, MU, and Professor Ibohol Maitai, Director of Center for Entrepreneurship and Skill Development at the conference hall of Vice Chancellor of Manipur University. Many entrepreneurs from the state attended the event where knowledge and ideas were shared. Addressing the gathering, Dr. Abhijit Sharma said that the state has a huge scope of entrepreneurship in various aspects since Manipur will be an economic hub of Northeast in future. He also urged the entrepreneur to expand the innovative ideas.
We're saying that this is the time when actually everyone is focusing on all of you. So that's why I said this is a sweet spot. This is the time where you can actually expand and grow. So I would urge all of you to take this path. You are going to make changes. You're going to be the pioneers. You're going to change Manipur, Northeast, and maybe Southeast Asia together.
Dr. Dayananda Elias P. Barrel, one of the entrepreneurs who attended the event and who also owns Madeline Healthcare, Ambulance and Home Care, said that the signing of such MOU will enable young entrepreneurs of the state to be more competent and help in uplifting their position.
Incubation centers incubation center idea incubation center right guidance sector scalable incubation centers focus.
Apunba Manipur Kanbal Loop Amkil today organized a one-day discussion program on the impact of Armed Forces Special Power Act 1958 on the people of Manipur at Lamjingbatomtv Palace Compound, Imphal. Representatives of many civil society organizations spoke in detail about OFSPA 1958 in the program. Amkil advisor Khangimam Anandi said that Through this deliberation, they are trying to disclose the impact of AFSPA in a broader way. The government of India must repeal the act, keeping in mind that the people of the state are against the act, she demanded. And then they also said that the group wants to know from the government the reason behind the long imposition of the act in Manipur.
Unanaba ahing bapot ama oina changyalakpase Bharat ke President na September gi tang 13 da sign tawkhare madudagi ngasi phawba akhoi laibak sidadi 1980 dagi hona ngasi phawba changjilakpa aspa gi chething asina phangiba awa ana mayam che akhoi karamai torga kokadagi kana malem gi pichibida kanada hajaraga akhoi upai ama machida lairiba taibang migi thawai mat payadaba niyom kanon law mayam che yengjanbinabagi damakta akhoi ima singna pulap organize tawjaga numit ase praja miyam akhoi khangminasi haina pangthokjaba.
The Apunba Iraipaki Mahairoi Singh Panglup AIMS has observed its 7th Foundation Day at Kwakatel High School today. AIMS President Rajesh Yumnam inaugurated the function. COSAM Chairman A. Mahendra, Social Scientist Dr. Dhanavir Laishram, Assistant Professor of Manipur University, Manipuri Department, and Sanatomba, CIRCA President Somarendru Thoksom and Atsum President Varayo Sansang attended the function as presidium members. Addressing the gathering, Dr. Dhanavir said, if the people love the Manipur society, it will take the step forward. He also urged the students to maintain an ecosystem mind. Now let's have a short break. We'll bring you with more news, so stay with us.
Kangla Packaged Drinking Water, a unit of Lamjingba Group, Chingmang Poising, Nambol, Bishnupur District, Manipur, 795134. We aim to provide minerals added and purified drinking water to every household of the state, Manipur, ensuring good and healthy life for all. Silent features, RO-treated purified water, added minerals, state-of-art infrastructure water plant, processed and packaged under hygienic condition, sterilized water bottles, natural and clear stream water source, features and benefits, free home delivery, a filled jar free subscription on registration, 1 month free subscription on registration, Rs 500 registration fee, 30 bottles per month, that is 600 liters, Rs 250 subscription fee per month, 2 months free on subscription of a year. Subscription type, monthly Rs 250, half yearly Rs 1500, quarterly Rs 750, yearly Rs 3000. Offer valid till 30th May 2019. For more details, please contact us at 8257 888737 or email us at lamjingbakanglawwater@gmail.com.
Admissions open for Modi University, Laxmangarh, Rajasthan. School of Architecture and Town Planning, School of Design, School of Engineering and Technology, School of Sciences, School of Liberal Arts, School of Management Studies, School of Legal Studies. 53% scholarship for Nordis students. For details, please contact Career Info Solution, New Chekon Road, near Bazaar, India, 841-3976-991. For more details, please visit our website www.modiuniversity.ac.in. Modi University, a leading women's university.
Nauka Hearing Aid Center. Kumja lising amachapad marifom do digi hona chai kuntramanga hena Notice India ahan hearing aid clinic mo ne lereklaba Nauka gi Infal Center mahangjare TV am phone gi konjel loinana nil khongum fam na tabangam da gi awaba mayok na dibna al kodingmag wabi rogano Nauka Hearing Aid Clinic ngasi maklengsin direktuna completely invisible water resistant amadi rechargeable odaba digital hearing aid hapiu tabangam gi pangalwana badom gi khangna chana ba single power sa tambio ai khoi gi leifam di Nagamapal Main Road Phogoi Sangmam Laikai near Community Hall. Mobile number na 6000954159.
Welcome back. Imphal Art College today organized its annual art exhibition 2019 at the college campus, North AOC Imphal. Commissioner of Art and Culture M. Lakshmi Kumar Singh, Chairman of Imphal Art College, L. Mangi Singh and retired principal of Imphal Art College, Y. Nabachandra Singh attended the inaugural function. Floral tributes were also paid to the founder principal of Imphal Art College, late Hanjabam Syamo Sarma. This year, Hanjabam Syamo Sarma Memorial Award 2019 was given to Thokchom Tomni Devi, Ahong Sambam Bebicha Laisram, Kavinet Gurumayum Sarita and M. Jonathan Haukip. The award carries cash and certificates. Nong Thombam Newton Singh got the prize for best attendance and punctuality 2018 to 2019. Best Outstanding Work Award from Manipur University of Culture Visual Department went to Laurembam Thoihin. Speaking at the function, M. Lakshmi Kumar said that the art exhibition provides a platform to upcoming young artists. He asserted that art needs to be promoted. Lakshmi Kumar added that such exhibitions appreciate the students' hidden talents.
Art College authority na smaina art exhibition to waisi, I think it deserves koi am thagani ngai ni adu yam nungai masi makhata na koi moi artist sing bu promote to koi ni yeng biba adu ga makoi gi khai tare talent sing se koi na appreciate to bibam sang hai tare adu na koi gi Manipur city tourist am lakulam dina masi gi somewhere koi na link up am toraga si hana de koi established painting houses ngakana yamba toram bisung base hujikti angang naha mayam thorobni sigi moi talent sing sei di hena across the board si chalhan badai di sumba exhibition na mateng pangadra na khali.
The second India Open International Boxing Tournament began at Karmabir Nabin Chandra Bordolai Indoor Stadium in Guwahati from Monday. The 5-day boxing tournament will continue till Friday. 22 Indian women boxers, including MC Mary Kom, have assured medals by entering the semi-finals of India Open International Boxing Tournament in Guwahati. Ace boxer Mary Kom had an easy win against Nepal's Mala Rai in the quarterfinal last night. She will face compatriot Nikhat Jarin in the much anticipated semi-finals in the 51 kg category. Assam girls Jamuna Boro, Ankusita Boro and Puyolao Basumatri have also entered the semi-finals. Another crowd favorite El Sarita Devi also defeated her opponent in the 60 kg category and stormed into the semi-final. Today, men's quarter-final matches will be held. Siva Thapa and Amit Pangal will play their matches today.
The international boxing tournament being held in a northeastern state of the country. The people of the region awaiting participating of a lot of star boxers like Mary Kom, Sarita, Siva Thapa and Lopnina Borgohai. Camera person Utpal Baru with Hamanto Morangtam, Times of Manipur, Guwahati.
Automobile giant Hyundai launched its brand new SUV series, named SUV Venue at Punya Hyundai at Dinku Road, Imphal today. The country's first fully connected sports utility vehicle Hyundai Venue was unveiled and launched by General Manager of Punya Hyundai, Imphal Arki. Prem Kumar, along with Chief Manager of State Bank of India Secretariat Branch, K.H. Okendra, they handed out the vehicle keys to its customers who booked the new SUVs earlier. Some of the main features of SUV Venue are eco-coating, wheel air curtains, air purifier, 7-speed DCT, projector, fog lamp and lots more. The Red Institute, led by anesthesiologist Dr. Kennedy Taingzam and Dr. Nomikapam Jitendra Singh, organized a one-day workshop on CRP cardiopulmonary resuscitation and at its office located at Uripok Taurangbam Likai, Imphal today. Topics on how to restore spontaneous blood circulation and breathing in a person who is in cardiac arrest were discussed in the workshop. The managing director of Red Institute informed that the primary objective of conducting the workshop was to give awareness to public the basics of how to CPR works, as it is a very important life-saving skill. He also said that RAD Institute generates employability and helps students in cracking interviews.
The help tower. So basically, when we say we connect talents with business firms. Adong ngasi workshop organized by maramse atai kemnati CPR haije aina khangjabe matungina so it's a very important basic life saving skills. Organization any oigera amo oigera, it's important that organization the laiba mi khudima business firms laiba mi khudima na khamam to ena khalli adugini. And then I want to encourage all the organizations in Manipur and throughout Northeast to have such kind of basic knowledge being put in their organization.
As a part of the ongoing free diagnostic campaign jointly conducted by all Jiribam United Clubs Association, Ajuka and Krishna Diagnostic Private Limited, 50-bedded hospital, Ningsingkun from 6th of March. A free diagnostic camp was held at the campus of RK Sanatombi Vidyalaya, Jiribam. Leading the free diagnostic camp, President of Ajuka, Maipaksana Mangang told media person that the main objective of organizing the camp is to give awareness among the residents of Jiribam district on the availability of 53 different medical test facilities free of cost at the Jiribam hospital. It is also a measure to keep a check on different types of illness among the people. Maipaksana said he also informed that this camp will also cover Barak Circle and Bekra Circle of the district.
Schools chatkibana maram waraga akoigi blood test hodaba aduga magi tawningba test sing do low tawbagi khurongchaba leitabadagi akoi sumba akoigi education institution sing sida changchalakpani aduna sigumba akoigi pandam asiga loinana akoi Jiribamgi nook and corner akoi loina machin mathungna ajuka amadi haiba Krishna Diagnostic Center Krishna Diagnostic Private Limited ani kusan marakanda akoi Jiribamgi bakam sin mathungna chathajarakan haiba paujelasi akoi miyam da pijari.
The two-day-long celebration of International Day of Biodiversity 2019, jointly organized by Manipur Biodiversity Board, Forest Head Office, Sanjentong, Imphal and Divisional of Forest Office, DFO, Jiribam concluded at Jiribam Model High School, JMHS Hall today. Jiribam Adaksya TH Janaki Devi, Divisional Forest Office, DFO CH Ibomsa Singh, and JM High School Principal Philip Kamai were the main attendees after concluding today. A painting competition on the theme of biodiversity, our food, our health was held to mark the day. Altogether, 41 students participated in the competition. Prizes were distributed to the winners. Adakshi of Jiribam KH Janaki said that people cut trees and kill animals only for our benefits, but we must not forget that trees and animals are also a part of our ecosystem. CH Ibomsa Singh, DFO Jiribam Forest Division said that India celebrates International Biodiversity Day on 22nd May every year. As a part of the celebration, we held a painting competition which aims to show that forests and animals are equally important to biodiversity. Principal of Jiribam Model High School, Philip Kamai, said that he feels privileged for celebrating the event at his school. He also expressed his happiness for planting tree saplings in the school campus. Philip then urged the students to keep in mind what the experts have said. Now let's have a short break.
Kindergarten Montessori School affiliated to CBSE New Delhi, Sagol Bantakil Kolom Laikai, Imphal West. Admission in progress. Class 11 Science and Arts 2019-20. Admission criteria 80% and above. Direct admission, free tuition fee, free textbooks and free uniform one time only. 70% to 79%. Direct admission, free textbooks. 60% to 69%. Direct admission and free textbooks. 40% to 59%. Admission through entrance test. For more details, please contact Kindergarten Montessori School, Sagol Bantakil Kolom Laikai, Imphal West.
Hey, Bima, exam pass to bugi haraugi di later no ungo pami do karigino.
Tamoyage school puna tamin ready and like tamatoge.
Ay ma amtang ako. Nangbu, koi ibim ga lairik punna tamina ba tanbene.
AD science stream pame. aduga ekhoi chantomina art stream aduga manipur ri science ka arts ka pulap tamina ba yaba afaba school amata su leite akhoi chantomina aiga pulap chamina ningdana tawrine bacho
hey karino ne hey noy adyang wari du ba ha noy ani punna tamina ba yaba school ni ne aina thiba chaluri sa Imphal airport manakta leiba changangai usikondane Advanced School of Arts and Science haidana ama linkhaledana haribi school sida MIL gi subject khudimak loina tamba yare aduisu matakta tha ahum khudingi free medical check out
hey nangbo aduyam phaba school am phangaga nacha ani gi form loruk tridi karigino
taso oisu apam mi nati kai dorage se form
lori in he
Kauna li amadi wana saba polam sing uda haktuna saba phazaraba leitengi polam sing nungbi manipur gi puwari ga mari leinaba laidi sing kabokang na saba polam sing salai taret ki lengyan fi amadi notice ki mafam kayada saba phazaraba handicraft ki polam sing phangbiragani plastic ki mapal tangbagi mahutta mahusagi polam na saba pothok sing sijinabiyo Lengsin Biraksi Akom Handicrafts, a unit of Iraima Women's Welfare Association, Kongba Nandaibam Laikai, Kongba Road, Imphal East District, Manipur 795008. Akupamarol Gidama contact Birau 98632 43964 Natraga 9402 987076.
Welcome back. The Indian Army will conduct the first recruitment rally exclusively for women for enrollment into Soldier General Duty category as Women Military Police for the Northeastern region in Shillong. The recruitment will be held in July and the headquarters recruiting zone Shillong Northeast has been nominated to conduct the rally for the Northeastern region and Kolkata zone. External Affairs Minister Sushma Swaraj today took up terror strike at Pulwama and Sri Lanka and urged member nation of Shanghai Cooperation Organization SCO for greater counter-terror cooperation. Addressing the ministerial meet of SCO at Bishkek, Kyrgyz Republic, the External Affairs Minister said that India remains committed to regional connectivity and peace in Afghanistan. The minister also said that India is open to strengthen the regional anti-terror structure or RATS of SCO to fight terrorism and security challenges in the region. Taking up the situation in Afghanistan, the minister further stressed that India wants Afghanistan to be united, peaceful, secure, stable, exclusive and economically vibrant. The External Affairs Minister cited the air connectivity between Kandahar, Kabul and Mumbai, Delhi as a sign of continued commitment to regional connectivity projects built by respecting sovereignty and territorial integrity. India this morning successfully launched a new spy satellite capable of keeping a lookout from space even in cloudy conditions, leaving no room for doubt the next time its armed forces conduct an operation such as the Balakot airstrike carried out earlier this year. The Indian Space Research Organization ISRO used its Polar satellite launch vehicle to launch the 615 kg RISAT-2B satellite capable of clear viewing during the day, night and even under adverse weather conditions at 5:30 this morning. The homegrown space agency has sent 354 satellites into orbit and crossed a landmark of lifting a total of over 50 tons of material into the space. The launch also saw the use of media in India Vikram processor for the first time realized by the semiconductor complex at Chandigarh. Data that will come from the all-weather, the all-night satellite are considered to be vital for the armed forces as well as agriculture, forecaster and disaster relief agencies. Security forces in a pre-dawn operation today engaged a group militants in a gunfight in Jammu and Kashmir, Kulgam area. An official said a joint team of the Army, Police and CRPF encircled Gopalpura area and zeroed in on hiding militants, triggering an encounter. A medium-intensity earthquake of 5.8 magnitude hit the Andaman and Nicobar Island this morning. According to reports, the quake occurred at 6:09 a.m. with its epicenter in the Andaman Island. The Andaman and Nicobar archipelago is prone to earthquakes. A federal judge has ordered U.S. President Donald Trump's accountants, Major USA, to comply with a subpoena from the House of Representatives of an oversight committee and submit financial records related to President Trump to the committee. Prior to becoming president, Trump frequently inflated and deflated his financials to suit specific financial goals and plans. And now let's move on newspaper headlines.
The Sangay Express, Arunachal MLA shot dead along with son in Tirap. KNO condemns Gaikhangam's corpse at exit poll projections. Postal ballots to be counted first. 13 members of JAC remanded. The Morning Bell, National Anti-Tourism Day observed. Government calls for a unite fight against terrorism to bring peace in state. National People's Party NPP MLA Tirong Abo, son among 11, shot dead in militant attack. Gaikhangam flays exit poll verdict, predicting massive victory for NDA. Manipur Human Rights Commission MHRC directs UCO Bank to respond to loan scheme violation charges. 13 women protesters who vandalized court property sent to jail. Imphal Free Press, Arunachal Pradesh MLA, his son among 11 killed by militants. Gaikhangam discredits exit polls, says non-BJP government will be formed. Kuki National Organization condemns NSC and IM on killing of Arunachal MLA. NSC and IM says ceasefire without territorial limits exist in Manipur. Framework agreement covers all territorial jurisdictions of Nagas beyond Nagaland. Drive along Reams Road continues. The People's Chronicle, Arunachal Pradesh MLA among 11 gunned down. Army launches operations. All set for counting amidst tight security. CCTV surveillance. 3 die in accidents. Gaikhangam unfazed by BJP triumph predictions.
Before we close, let's see the top stories once again. NPP chooses to remain mute on present political scenario in Manipur. Examination that clashing with Eid al-Fitr demoralizes Manipuri Muslim, flees MMWO. And Manipur Rural Bank opens new branch at Lamlai. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update.